Something I want to encourage you all to do is consider how your panels look on the right side of the page. On the left side of the window, we see our tools, and on the right, we see our panels. By default, it's usually set to essentials. Whatever one you have here, you can always change. And I'm going to encourage you to have properties selected, and then to have layers, pull that out, and then put it on top. You can place it back in just by hovering it until you see a blue line on top, and then it goes on top. That way you can see properties and layers at the same time. Another thing I want you to pop out is if you go to Window, these are all of the windows that you can use. I think it's good to have swatches open. Swatches will let you pick different colors, kind of like a box of crayons. And then the other thing that we're going to need is the color guide. Right now the color guide is set to black and white, so all we're seeing is the color guide on black and white. And this is the color sliders. What we really want here is the color guide, and there's a whole nother video explaining how to use it, but you can just put these together. We don't really need symbols. And then you can put all of these on top of layers, and this will become very useful to us in a bit. So what you should have here is properties, layers, swatches, and color guides. Brushes is okay, I think you might get some use out of that. But most importantly is we want color guide and swatches. And these windows, you can get them just by going to Windows on top and then selecting the ones that you want.